Hey, hey, hey. Today I am going to make turkey pepperoni pizza monkey bread. Now let's get into it. Okay, so what I have here is the Italian pizza dough pre-rolled. You can get this from your local supermarket or bakery. They should have it. And what I'm gonna do is just take this dough and I am going to roll it into little balls. Okay, so here we have the pre-rolled pizza dough. This is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna break it off. Well, first I'm gonna just add a little olive oil to the pan. Not much. Like so, like that. Just roll this into little balls. Like that. Until I use all of the dough. And I'm gonna use 2 packs of this. All right, so, okay, and it should look like this. I'm gonna chop some turkey pepperoni, roughly chop it. Yum! Just add that to the bowl. A little bit of red onion. Some black olives. Okay, now I'm gonna melt 5 tablespoons of butter. Okay, I'm gonna shred some mozzarella cheese. Add the mozzarella right into the bowl. Add a little Parmesan cheese. Well, for our melted butter, we're gonna add about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Garlic powder. And mix. We're gonna add a little salt and a little onion powder. And you're gonna pour that directly over and toss everything well. Oh, it smells so good. So, so good. Add a little more Italian seasoning. it should look like that. You're just gonna need a bundt pan, and we're gonna put some parchment paper down in the bundt pan. Now I'm just going to use my hand and just place it evenly around. Okay, and it should look like this. All right, now I'm going to place these in the 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Just watch it to see if it's nice and golden, because you don't want it to be doughy. So just make sure that it's done. So I'll say from 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven. Okay, so here we have it. It was exactly 25 minutes with my oven. So now I am going to flip this baby over. Ooh la la la. And you need some marinara sauce right there. And bam. Look at that. Oh, yes. Okay, so why not go in for this little taste test? Oh, cheesy. Y'all see that? Some pepperoni, some black olives. Guys, this is delicious. This is a good way to make a pizza. And this is really good for children. This is really good. Okay, guys, try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to leave me a comment below. Share the video out. Give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Bye.